Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Keshav. I'm a 5th year medical student currently studying in Ukraine. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing it. And you can also follow me on Instagram where I post amazing medical stuff, daily morning quizzes, showcasing the life of an FMG and many more. You can check it out there. So in this video, I'm going to talk all about digital note taking. So I'm going to cover 3 main topics. First, what is digital note taking? Second, which device and which app I use? And third, and the big one is advantage of digital note taking. There's so many. Now everybody sing that shit. Okay, so starting with the first one, what is digital note taking? So it's same like handwritten notes, but the only difference lies in handwritten notes we write it on a copy or a paper or register, you can say, and in digital note taking we write it on an iPad or a tab. That's it. Okay, so now coming to the second one, which device and which app I use. So the device that I'm currently using is iPad 2018 along with Apple Pencil, and the app that I use is Notability. It's been an year that I'm using digital note, and to be frank, it's very easy to use and it's fun. So other than Notability, there are many other apps like GoodNotes or OneNotes. Okay, so now coming to a third one, that is advantage of digital note taking. So the first and the best advantage according to me is storage. So you don't need to carry a lot of registers like a separate register for anatomy, one for physiology, one for biochemistry, and many registers for internal medicine. You just need an iPad and a pencil. That's it. You're good to go. Your all subject notes will store in one place. As you can see in mine, it's stored in one place and totally arranged. And one more thing, if you want to see your notes again or you want to revise your notes, you don't even need your iPad for it. You can see it in any device. You can see it in your mobile or laptop or any device you want, as all your notes get synced to iCloud or Google Drive, whichever you prefer. That's cool, right? Okay, so now second advantage which I personally like is we can import images into our notes. And in medicine field, we have to study a lot of images, like in image-based subjects like ophthalm, ENT. In histology, we have to learn a lot of slides, and in anatomy. But what is the benefit of this? Why I'm telling this? Okay, so let me give you an example. So if I want to study an anatomy of external ear, I can do it in 2 ways. First, I can learn things, or you can say mug up things, like it has 3 parts, it has pinna, it has external acoustic canal, it has tympanic membrane. External acoustic canal has 2 parts, cartilaginous part and bony part. And the second way, what I can do is I can download the image and I can export into my notes and I can study it there by annotating it. So by this second method, what happens is whenever someone will ask me a question or whenever I get a question in my exam, this image will come into my mind and I can easily answer that question. As everybody knows, we have a strong photogenic memory. We remember more by seeing photos or videos. So third advantage, or I can say the most exciting thing I found in Notability is voice recording along with note taking. Okay, let me explain you this. Whenever I am having a difficulty in understanding a particular topic, what I do is I write my note and along with it I speak what I am writing and record it. And when I play it later, it became like a video, and by seeing that video it will be easy to remember and learn. As I explained it earlier, our visual memory is stronger than anything else. Correct, right? Okay, let me give you an example of this. But before giving an example, I will explain you how you can do this. So first, what you have to do is you have to click on the mic option and now you have to start writing your notes, and along with it you have to speak what you're writing. Now I will show you how it looks like. So I took the same example of anatomy of external ear and now I am playing the video. So this is the anatomy of external ear. It has 2 parts. Outside it's pinna and inside it's external acoustic canal. So it's like a short movie, right? Advantage, and this one is fun. You can play with your notes. You can make it as pretty as you want, and later you can use it on Instagram also. You can use as many colors as you want. You can use as many colors to highlight it. You can erase anything if you wrote something wrong. You can add stickers. You can draw a perfect circle or a perfect square without any equipment, and many things you can do. Okay, so now the another advantage is if you want to revise your notes or if you want to search something in your note, you just write that word what you want to search in the search box and it will show all your notes that contains that word. There are many other advantages, like you can use it for reading books. So what you have to do is you just have to export that PDF into your app, whatever app you are using, and you can easily read it there and annotate it. Okay, so these were the some main uses, but other than making notes, you can use it for various things. Like I used to draw, so these were the some drawings I drew. You can check all this in my Instagram. I will put the link in description box. and I also use it for making my Instagram and YouTube content, and I also use it for plan my day or plan my week using my planner. You can download any planner from Google, and soon we are going to launch our set of planners also. You can check our Instagram for this again. Okay, so that's it. Hope you guys like this video, and if this video helped you a little bit, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Goodbye. Thank you.